So if we take a look at exercise number 1, so looking at the start of the exercise, we can see our time signature, which is 4-4. So the top number being 4 tells us there's 4 beats in the bar, so we're going to be counting up to 4 for each bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bottom number being 4 tells us when we're counting, what we're counting is quarter notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 quarter note beats in the bar. Okay, so in the first bar, the rudiment we're going to be playing is single strokes. So we've just got right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. The rhythm is 8th notes, so we're going to be counting that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we're going to be playing the first half of the bar, so the 1 and 2 and on the snare drum. So we got right, left, then we come up to this high tom for 3 and 4 and. Again, we're playing 8th notes up here. Okay, so we're playing half a bar on the snare, half a bar on the high tom, together they sound. Okay, so that's your rudiment, that's your single strokes, and now beneath that you're going to be playing a foot pattern, so you're playing quarter notes between the bass drum and the hi-hat with foot. Okay, so your feet are going to be playing 1, 2, 3, 4, alternating between the bass drum and the hi-hat with foot. So you've got right, left, right, left. So feet are playing quarter notes, hands are playing 8th notes. So we've got 2 different rhythms there, and we've also got that rudiment, single strokes. Okay, so we're just going to try that first bar 4 times through to get a hold of those 2 things, the independence and also the rudiment. And beneath it, you can see the dynamic of this bar is mezzo forte, so half loud, about a normal playing level. So let's try bar 1 now 4 times through. And then in bar 2, we've got the same rhythm with the hands. We've got 8th notes, but the rudiment is changing to double strokes. So you've got right, on the low tom, left, on the snare drum, and we do that twice to make a whole bar of 8th notes. So you've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Feet are playing quarter notes, alternate quarter notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you're doing the same thing with the feet that you did in bar 1. So let's put those 2 together, and we're still at mezzo forte for this bar. So let's try bar 2 now 4 times through. And in bar 3, we've got the same rhythm again. So 8th notes with the hands, quarter notes with the feet, and our rudiment for this bar is paradiddles. So we've got right, left, left, left. Okay, we've got our right hand on the medium tom, left hand on the snare, and they're going to stay there for the whole bar. So you've got right, left, left. Okay, whilst keeping those quarter notes with the feet again. Okay, so let's try bar 3 now 4 times through, and looking at the dynamic of this bar, we've changed to forte, so we've got an F beneath the bar, so this bar has to be loud. Okay, so let's try that. Playing bar 3 with the dynamic of loud 4 times through. And then in the final bar, you've just got a quarter note on the 1, on the snare drum with the right hand, and we're going to play a bass drum with that note as well. Okay, so just finish on that 1. Okay, and you rest for 2, 3, and 4. So you've got 4 bars. First 2 bars are at mezzo forte. 3rd and 4th bar are at forte. You've got single strokes in the first bar, double strokes in the second bar, and paradiddles in the 3rd bar. And then obviously we're finishing on the 1 in the 4th bar. So we've got to try and link all of this up. Okay, so take this nice and slowly, work at a good tempo for you, and then we want to try and get up to that exercise tempo of 80 beats per minute. So remember, that's the target tempo. So really spend some time just making sure you've got the skills here of being able to play the rudiments, also transitioning from one rudiment to another, and also playing four-way independence. So we've got those feet playing quarter notes without being affected by what those hands are playing. So the feet got to be rock solid. Okay, really solid quarter notes with the feet, keeping you in time, and the hands just comfortable playing over that no matter what the rhythm is or the rudiment. Okay, so let's try the whole exercise now.